Sis, I have a question. Okay. Okay. You listen, okay? If mother's name is 62, son's name is 52, daughter's name is 42, what is father's name?
72.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Wrong.
What?
Isip ka pa.
42.
No, 42 is the daughter's name.
Okay. 32.
No.
64.
Okay, I'm gonna repeat the question, okay? If mother's name is Miss 62, son's name is 52, daughter's name is 42. What is father's name?
Number. Number.
Correct.
Okay. What is it?
Okay, the answer is what?
What?
What? What is father's name?
I don't know.
That's the father's name. What?
Gago.
Ayan, nag-oyo na naman natin si sis.